Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is November 10th, 2015. I want to thank you all for tuning in today. All right, let's get started on these charts. I'm going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading lower by 2.25 points to 20.70.5 per contract. So all in all, futures were lower this morning, but you can see they have come off the lows quite nicely. Yesterday, we did have a little bit of selling pressure out here, especially on a Monday. We'll see what today brings us. Nonetheless, markets right now are just down slightly, and we'll see where it goes. But we do have some stocks in the news, and let's take a look at the first one here, which is going to be D.R. Horton. DHI is the ticker symbol. This is a home builder. You can see the stock's been all over the map. It traded almost as high as above 31.25, now down to 29.30. So it's very, very erratic and all over the place. I will say this much. Above $30, you have a ton of resistance. That's what it looks like, at least on the charts right now. Right around 31.25, there should be a ton of resistance, and that's pretty much where you went right here. And if this stock does decline, you'll find some support probably around double bottom from yesterday, which was around 28.50. So we're going to keep this on the radar. I have some potential day trading levels for this. We'll talk about this more in the intraday stock chat room right around 9:30 in the morning. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You could trade it right alongside of us. Next one I'm going to look at is CSIQ. This is Canadian Solar. Stock is gapping up nicely, closed at 23.03, trading at 25.16. I do have gap resistance levels for this. They will be posted up in the chat room at 9 a.m., which is about 17 minutes from now. So again, CSIQ, we will have good resistance levels for that. We will look to play that one today. Next one we're going to take a look at is ROK, which is Rockwell Automation. And what you're going to see here is the stock closed at 107.79. It is trading at 101.55. Not a lot of volume here, but still good enough to cause that dip. We will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. I do have some support levels that are sharply lower, but in the short term, I'm going to say that 98 level is a little bit of support. So traders should keep an eye on that $98 area. It could be 98.25, 98.50, but right around there, that's where there is support. So that's still a few points lower to go. I would be careful with ROK at this point in time. Next one we're going to look at here is going to be VOD, which is Vodafone. Stock is trading nicely higher on the day, closed at 32.31, trading at 33.90. I have gap resistance levels for this one as well. They will be posted in the chat room right at 9 o'clock, so we will be looking to play this stock today. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You get to see our screens, get to see everything that we're doing and all of our trades in the day. All right, let's take a look at CYBR, which is CyberArk. And what you're going to see here is that stock is trading at $43.34, closed at $44.78. Only support level that would interest me would be around $41.50, $45. And this is purely mathematical. This stock has not been around that long. From what I can tell, the stock's only been around since October of last year. So be very, very careful. We don't have a lot of data to work off of, but CyberArk under pressure this morning. I want to take a look at Apple this morning. AAPL is the ticker symbol here. Everybody knows Apple. Stock is trading at 117.73, closed at 120.57. So you're looking at a nice dip here in Apple this morning. Little level that I'm watching for Apple that I think is very, very important is going to be around the 117.35. So we're getting down there. If we close below there, that could get real interesting today. But 117.35 is going to be a very, very important level, at least from what I can tell right now. If we get through there, Apple could be in some trouble. So again, Apple will be on the radar today as well. Looking over at the gold market this morning, we have gold futures down 70 cents. You have the dollar roaring and soaring again. Take a look at the dollar today. The dollar is right at that 99.50 level. Anytime the dollar is up, gold is generally down. But gold right now is just down 70 cents, not taking a hit. Spot crude is down is up a penny at $43.87 a barrel. So again, we're not going to make too much out of oil at this stage of the game, but we are coming into some big levels here, and we'll cover more of this in the intraday stock chat right at 9:30 in the morning. So again, want those gap plays, they'll be posted at 9 o'clock in the morning right in the intraday stock chat room. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. We had another great trading day in the market yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going, and we will see everyone on the charts.